Hi everyone, welcome to this Diwali special edition on Sheikh's Kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you my recipe of a very colorful and melt in your mouth biscuit. We call it Nankhatai. So to a sieve on a bowl, add in 2 cups of plain flour, followed by a big pinch of salt, and then 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground cardamom seeds. And now we're going to sift this all together nicely. Next, we'll take 3/4 cups of ghee in a mixing bowl, and we are going to whisk this until it's light in color. Please do note that I'm using my ghee when it's soft but not melted, otherwise the cookies will spread while cooking. Next, I'm going to sift in 3/4 cups of icing sugar in my ghee, and I will continue whisking this again until it's light in color and texture as well. So my ghee looks like it's done now. It's time for me to add in my dry ingredients. So I'll pour in the flour, and using my hands I'm going to knead it into a soft dough. So be careful not to overdo this, otherwise your Nankhatai will turn hard. So it's done now. I'm just going to shape this into a nice ball, and I'm going to let it rest for 10 minutes. Now I will divide my dough into 2 equal parts in 2 different bowls, like this. Next, I'll add in my orange food coloring. I'm using a Wilton gel color, and it's easier to apply using the back of a spoon. So I'm going to now mix this in gently until the color is uniform. I'll repeat the same process for the other half using green food coloring. Next, we will take 1 teaspoon of each of the colored dough, and then we are going to press them together and shape into a round disc like this. And don't worry about making them perfect, they will come together nicely when they cook. So continue the same with the rest of the dough. When we are done, we are going to make a cross on each of the Nankhatais like this. We do this to help them spread nicely and avoid cracks on the top. Finally, I will top them with some chopped almonds in the center. Now we are going to bake them in a preheated oven at 118 degrees for 10 minutes. Please don't overcook them, otherwise they'll become too hard. So our Nankhatais are ready now. Enjoy, and thank you so much for watching.